How to turn off pronouns on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off pronouns on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and go down. Then you will see this one here, settings and privacy. Click on it and then click this one, accessibility. Click on it and then click accessibility here. And now all to do is just turn this one on, off or on if you want, and just click on it, and as you see pronouns has been turned off. And if I click on it again, pronouns has been turned off. And that's how manage pronouns on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.